Hello, uh, today I am going to show you how to change the oil on a moped. This moped is Tomos A3. So the reason is there is nobody else on the YouTube showing how to change oil um, on bike, so I am going to show you, because if I saw video it would have saved me 5 minutes time. So you need a way to drain oil. I use oil pan. You need oil to put in, is important, non-detergent, because if you use detergent the garbage will float around and go in between gear and break the bike. And you only need Phillips and flat. Okay, now take off the cover. Keep the screw because you will need it to put the cover back on. There is over here one, here, and there. Now you can take off the cover, put it away. So this one go in front, and there is mounts. Do not lose this piece. Here is fill hole, here is overflow hole. You open this when you're filling up, and when the oil come out is full, stop putting in here. And here is the drain, so you open this one first. Sometimes it's hard to get to this one. Might have to use a short screwdriver. Once it's loose, bring back the plug, the pan, and do by hand. Now the oil will come out. It should be around half liter. Make sure the screw have a seal so you do not leak while driving. To speed up the drain, you can open the top or side. Now the screw is removed. You can move the bike to make sure there is nothing left. Okay, now we will close the hole. Once the hole is closed, keep the pan on the bottom and open the top and overflow side. On some bikes like Java, the hole is bigger, so you can pour right from the bottom. However, they make this one very small. You can put a funnel, or you can use this, but they will take around 10 minutes time. If you buy from store oil pump, it will take only around 30 seconds. This bike should take around 600 milliliters of SA30 non-detergent oil. If you put too much, it will have low power, and too little, it may get too hot. After around 400 milliliters, it has started to drip out of overflow. It is important to note that the overflow also has a gasket like the drain, but not always the top. Once it is finished dripping here, you can close this one and this one, and then you can look at the oil. Mine is dirty because I am probably missing seal here, and garbage goes past piston ring into system. That is why I change my oil every 500 kilometers or 1 month. Once you are finished, do this one first. Be careful for any cables that need to go along, and place these on top, simply like this. Look. Now your moped is ready for driving.